Hello everyone, it's Mackerel's Cakes here and you're welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with me on my channel. Please guys, feel free to give this video a thumbs up after watching, and also click on the subscribe button to get notification when I upload the video. So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you all how to bake this yummy oven baked fish roll for your kids and family using the most common amazing ingredients in your kitchen. Trust me guys, this yummy snack is perfect for weekends and holidays. So if something you're really interested to watch, I want you to sit down, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Welcome back guys. So here are my ingredients for the fish filling and of course for the dough. So that's my curry, and this one here is my thyme and Maggi. This here is my chili pepper, and this is my mackerel fish, or you can also call it Titus fish. And here is my salt. Here is my margarine for the dough pie, and that's my flour, my egg, and of course my onions. So I'm going to quickly steam the my fish, which is the fish filling. And also while doing this, you need to be very careful of salt. Do not add too much salt to your fish filling. I'm going to steam my fish using the ingredient, which is the Maggi, salt, thyme. I'm sure you all know how to steam fish, right? So just steam your fish the normal way it's being steamed, to to soft or something. And when you're done steaming the fish, the next thing is to use fork to mash the fish, just like what you're gonna see in this video. Okay, so I'm done steaming my fish already. You can see how it is. So I'm gonna use fork right now to take away the bones. It's very important you do this. The first thing, take away the bones from the fish, and then you use fork to match everything. If you're not comfortable with the fork, you can also use your hands to mash everything together, or you can use your food processor to blend everything together. So whichever one is fine by you, you're comfortable with, you can do it. The most important thing is that you achieve the same result in the video. So by the time you're done with it, you can now prepare your fish filling, just like what you're gonna watch in this video. So guys, I want you to watch the video to the end, and also to enjoy it, and also get one or two things from it. Also, after watching the video, please give the video a thumbs up after watching, like the video, and share the video to your different social media platform. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Enjoy the video.